Okay, children. We were doing the sample paper yesterday. The last time we had a class, if you remember. So we are going to see the writing section today. We had already attempted the grammar part. Now see very quickly. We have done this part. I'll be taking up the comprehensions also later. This is the grammar part. Writing section I'm coming to. Your exams are starting now. So let's revise the writing section once very quickly. Let us go to the writing section. If you have solved this paper, this I had already done with you. Reported speech is already done. And now we are moving on to the writing section. Here we are. You are Tabassum Tarun, a resident of Satyanagar colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. You have noticed that some residents of your colony are repeatedly flaunting quarantine rules laid out during the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Write a letter to the SHO of the local police station, drawing attention towards the same. Explain how such acts impact the health of the community and request immediate intervention and strict action. So there simply, and there is a choice. You are Vajanti Vijay from Prakash Nagar, Secunderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Write a letter to the Book Heaven store requesting home delivery of the book, stationery, and art materials you had ordered telephonically. Share the reason for being unable to pick up the goods in person and confirm your address and details for a convenient time slot. So first, I would like you to attempt the first one, letter to the SHO of the police station. Okay? Now, all of you who are there in the meeting, please write the first paragraph, the format I want to check. Write the format, the first paragraph, then raise your hands, post it on the group. Side by side, I'll keep checking and giving you your feedback. What you need to do is you need to do the first one, the SHO of the local police station. You have to draw the attention towards people flaunting the quarantine rules during this time, during COVID-19 pandemic. So what you need to do is proper format, how to start the letter, first paragraph, And then once you finish that part, raise your hands, post it on the class group. Please start, your time starts now. All the students who are in the meeting need to attempt this because this is a 5 marks question which will be coming in your exams also. You will be marked absent if you do not post on the group whatever you have written. Please start now. As soon as you finish, raise your hands so that we know you have finished. Then I'll be able to check on the group what you have done or whatever you have written. Start immediately. Start quickly. Raise your hands very quickly once you finish. I hope you remember how to write official letters. Start quickly. Just post the first paragraph with the format. Just the first paragraph. Raise your hands so that I know I can check on the group. Just the first paragraph, children. Just a reminder, in the first paragraph, you will only tell that you're writing this letter for why are you writing the letter. So you have to just simply tell in the first paragraph that I want to draw your attention towards this problem. So the first paragraph should only deal with why the letter is being written. Second paragraph deals with what will be the problems if this situation continues. And then in the third one, you will conclude saying that please take an action. You will be requesting. So please plan your letter in 3 parts. The first paragraph would be request telling them why you are writing this letter. Why? What is the purpose of you writing this letter? In the second paragraph, give all the details that what problems may come up further. And in the last line that you will take up as the next sentence, you will start next line, request the individual to take some action. So please plan it like this. Start writing immediately, finish and post. Write quickly, raise your hands, children, so that I know. There is nothing to be conscious of. Write and post. So that whatever mistakes you're doing now, I'll correct you. In the exams, you will not have any problems. Those who have forgotten the format of such kind of official letters, I'm again reminding you. First, you will write your address, that is sender's address. It should not take more than 2 lines. Then you will write date, and then you will write salutation to whom you are writing, dear sir, dear ma'am, whoever. So remember sender's address, date, salutation, then 3 paragraphs of the letter. It's an official letter. And then we have to write, first you have to decide that you have to give a subject also. If you're writing an official letter, then please mention the subject also, that why are you writing, and then start writing the letter. Immediately write post the first paragraph. You can type, you can write on a paper, click a photograph, and then you can do. Okay, Ria Rastogi has already finished. So I'm going to read what she has written. Let me read. Anybody else? Only Ria. Very good. So Ria has already posted on the group. Ria, I'm just checking what you've written, beta. Ria, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Beta, I've unmuted you. Let's discuss what you have written. Okay? We'll go back to what you've written and I'll discuss with you so that we get to know where we are doing mistakes. Exams are on head. She's written Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Fine. Very good. But why have you put a comma after Orissa? Hmm?
Ma'am,
There is no need to put a comma after Orissa, beta. Okay? We please keep listening. Others also keep listening so that you know where you people are going wrong. Don't put this. Come to the date. We do not put, we do not write date. Like you have written DATE. Are you able to hear me? Okay?
yes, ma'am.
This is not written. I would tell everybody, please listen, children. You will not write DATE, date. That word is not written. So obviously those two dots which you have written are also not needed. And the way you have written your date also is wrong, beta. There are two ways of writing a date. Listen carefully. Write 5th October, comma, 2020. Okay? But if you write the month first, then write October 5, comma, 2020. So there is a mistake in the date. How we are going to write this? We will not put any comma after Orissa. If you want to really put a comma, you should have put after Bhubaneswar.
Ma'am,
Clear?
it's after Bhubaneswar.
No, beta, ab dekho, you have put after Orissa. Okay? So there is no need to put comma after Orissa. It should be after Bhubaneswar. And when we write the date, nobody will write this word date. And date kaise likhenge? We do not write like this. You'll write 5th October, comma, 2020. And agar beta month first likh rahe ho, then TH and ST and all is not used. You will write October 5, comma, 2020. Very good. Now she's writing to whom? She's writing to SHO. Okay. Now listen very carefully, beta. We always use the with authorities, the commissioner, the SHO, the editor. Clear? So what is the third thing you should have written before SHO?
The SHO.
The SHO. ABC police station, Orissa. Again, you have put a comma after Orissa. After last word, do not ever put commas, beta. Okay? ABC police station, comma, Orissa. This could have been possible.
Ma'am, I've
ABC
written.
police station. Hmm. See what you've written? You put a comma after Orissa, na?
Um,
So this comma
I,
should have come where? This comma should have come after police station. ABC
ma'am,
police station, comma, Orissa.
excuse me, ma'am.
Clear? Yes, beta.
Excuse me. Ma'am, you are reading
Yes.
from Kshitij.
Okay. Acha. Okay, this is I'm reading Kshitij. Chalo, never mind. Let me finish Kshitij only.
Yes,
Kshitij
ma'am.
is listening, I suppose. Let me talk to Kshitij also. We have to check everybody's whatever is written. So let me talk to Kshitij first. Then I'll read yours. Okay, that is why you were saying I have not written. I have not written.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, where is Kshitij? Let me see. See, Kshitij is not there in the meeting. He's not there in the meeting. Why should I discuss what he has written? Acha, he is there. Kshitij, good morning.
Morning.
Hmm. I hope you're listening. Whatever mistakes are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, keep listening, huh?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then I'll take up the next one after this. Then, beta, you will not write subject. Subject में S capital होता है. You've written a small s over here. Another mistake that you have. Okay. Then outbreak of COVID-19. This is not the subject. This is not the subject of the letter that COVID-19 is out. The subject is that people are flouting
Ma'am,
quarantine. Hmm. This
yes,
is
ma'am.
wrong.
Ma'am, this I have written by mistake.
So many mistakes you have done. You put a comma after Orissa. The date is also not written properly. You have to be very careful. अभी के अभी दोबारा लिख के I want you to post this जो गलती ऊपर का बताया है. Subject should be S capital. Outbreak of COVID-19. Please change the subject, dear sir, ma'am. And then the most important mistake which you have done is you started your sentence I, leaving so much of space. We do not leave space now. You have to start from the left line. बिल्कुल line के साथ I. Stick to the left boundary. Do not leave this space
Okay,
which you have
ma'am.
written. Okay. I, Tarun, resident of Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, wants to draw your attention towards the residents of my colony who are repeatedly flouting quarantine rules. said and during the outbreak. See, rest your matter is perfect. Only your format part is wrong. So just write the format part again and post it again. No need to write the letter. Just the format and the
Okay,
subject.
ma'am.
Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Subject. Now we'll move on to the next child. That's Ria. Let's see. Ria has written 24C Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Very good. It's perfect. Orissa, you will this Ria. You will not write the word date.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And because you're writing the date first, you will write ND, 2nd November, or write November 2. If you write month first, then we do not write ST and all. So write 2nd November, comma 2020. So comma should come over here. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Either you will write 2nd November, comma 2020 or November 2, 2020. Whatever is okay for you. But don't write the word date. And with SHO, what will you use? The
The
SHO. Yes, ABC Police Station, Bhubaneswar. Subject, quarantine rule flouted by residents. This is perfect. Dear sir, see this mistake you have not done. Your subject is fine. You have started with the boundary line. You have done well. I'm writing this letter to draw your attention towards the residents who are repeatedly flouting quarantine rules. Very good. So basically, Ria, you need to change only what? The date. And with SHO, you need to write what?
the
The SHO. So be very careful, no? Next time. It's very good effort. If you want, you can also redo. We are done with
Okay.
Ria, we're done with Kshitij. Now let's move on to Priyal. Priyal is also done. Let's see. Priyal. Let's see. Where is Priyal? Which Priyal has written? Priyal Gangar. Which one has written? Boy or girl? Which Priyal has written? Anyways, I'm reading out whatever they have written so that you get to know the mistakes of these children. Very quickly, I'm reading what Priyal has written. See, 4A, Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar. Very good. And then we'll move on to the next one. 2. Beta, 2 is never written. We never write 2. So please do not write this word 2 next time. We do not write 2. It should be only the SHO, Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar. Perfect now. He has written the SHO. He or she, I don't know. The SHO is perfectly right. Only one mistake I found till here कि 2 नहीं लिखते हैं. We do not write 2 now. The date, coming to the date part, date is wrong for Priyal. We do not write the word date, D-A-T-E. This word is not to be written and date is not written like this. It should be written 2nd November, comma 2020. Or it should be November 2, comma 2020. So the date part is wrong. Subject. In my colony, some residents report beta. Subject cannot be a sentence. It cannot be so long. So you cannot make such a long sentence for a subject. Simply make it short. You could have written residents flouting quarantine rules. That is all. And when you write the letter, then give details that they are residents of your colony. So make your subject short. Dear sir, I am Tarun. Again the same mistake. I has to come immediately below D. Dear. Please do not leave space while writing a sentence. I am Tarun of Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar. Actually, I'm going to telling you nahi. I want to put in your notice, kind notice. You're writing to an officer. So you will write, sir, I want to put in your kind notice that some people are flouting quarantine rules. So this is how you're going to write. You're writing to an official, an officer. So you will say, I want to put in your kind notice, not that I'm telling you. I hope the mistakes are clear to everybody. 2 is not to be written, date is not written correctly, subject is very long, and I should be from the margin part. Let's move on to the next child now. Now we come to the next child. Kshitij is done, Priyal is done, Ravit. So we are going on to now Ravit. Let's see what Ravit has written. Ravit, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Chalo. Let's see what you have written. See your mistakes and then correct them also. Priyal, you also correct your mistakes. Ravit has written 21A Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Perfect. Date. Beta, date is wrong. DATE date नहीं लिखते हैं. Okay? Simply write the date. ये नहीं लिखते हैं कि DATE. And date ऐसे नहीं लिखते. You will write 2nd November. ठीक है? Very good that you have put a comma after November. बिल्कुल ठीक है. But write 2nd November. And if you write the month first, अगर November पहले लिखते हो, then write November 2. So you decide how you want to write and then SHO. अभी बताया था SHO नाम से पहले क्या लिखना चाहिए? What should you write before SHO? I just explained it to all of you children. Tell me. We have to write the SHO. What should be written? Tell me very quickly. What should be written? It should be the SHO. All of you please remember it should be written the SHO. Be very careful about this that we have to write the SHO over here. Don't miss writing the. That is very important. I have unmuted most of you now. So we are going to discuss. Whenever we write date, what we need to do is, we will not write the word date.
Date.
We will not write the word date. And date can be written in two ways. The first way is that either you write the date first. So if you're doing that, then you will not write the you will write the month and date. You have to be very careful. So I was reading of whose was I reading? Let me see. Okay, we were reading about. Let me read it. Better you people also read what they have written. Because when you read and you listen, you will get to know about your mistakes. Now I am reading of, just give me 2 minutes. I'm reading. I've already done Priyal's. Ravit. Okay. You also read about Ravit's children. Tell me if you can find any mistake. I'm also trying to find a mistake. Let's see what Ravit has written. The main problems which I found, the main mistakes are the same for most of you. The comma placement is not correct. And the second one is date is not written properly, children. Okay, I'm moving on to the next one. Let me see who is the next one who has written. Beta, those who've got mistakes, please correct and keep posting on the group again. Keep posting on the group. Now we are reading. Krish is already done. Abhishek. Abhishek has written A31 Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar. Very good, Abhishek. 2nd November 2020. Very good. SHO Bhubaneswar Police Station. Very good. Subject quarantine rules flouting repeatedly by the student. Draw your attention towards the residents. Very good. Excellent. I did not find any mistake here in what this child has written. Abhishek, too good beta. बहुत ही अच्छा लिखा है. There is no mistake. Let's move on to Vishwa. Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, November 2. The SHO, Satyanagar Police Station, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Beta, Vishwa, rest everything is correct. Your address is correct. Your date is correct. But your subject is too long. Cut short the subject. Okay? I am so and so. This letter is to draw your attention towards. Very good. Vishwa has written everything correct. Only his subject is too long. Very good. Now we move on to Kshitij has again come up with the part mistakes. Kshitij, 2nd November, not 2 November. It should be 2nd November. Rest everything is fine. Very good, Kshitij. Too good. Chaliye, too nice. Let's see who is next. Vinita. Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, 2nd November. The SHO. Very good. ABC Police Station, Bhubaneswar. Subject is residents flouting quarantine rules. Dear sir, I'm writing this letter to draw your attention. Excellent, beta. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Vinita, no mistake I found in this. I'll move on to next. Saloni, 121 Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, 16th October. The SHO, ABC Police Station, Bhubaneswar. Violation of quarantine rules. Dear sir, draw your attention. Too good. So these students who've written later have written perfectly. Saloni, very good. Very good. Perfect. Now we'll move on to, who is this? Gauri. Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Beta, we cannot take 3 lines. Do not use 3 lines for writing address. Write Bhubaneswar, comma, Orissa. Okay? I'm talking to Gauri. After Bhubaneswar, put a comma and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
write Orissa. 2nd November. It is not 2 November. It is 2nd November. Or you
Okay,
write
ma'am.
November. Or you can write November 2. If you write month first, then do not use STNDs and all. So it should either be 2nd November or November 2. Very good. DSHO, Bhubaneswar Police Station, Orissa. Subject is, okay, flowing of quarantine rules. Dear sir, beta, same mistake. Why have you left space? I would like to bring this to your kind notice. I should come immediately below dear. There is no need to leave space. Nowadays, we have a rule which says all left. No space has to be left. Nothing. Start from the extreme left. So the mistakes we found were Orissa should be in the same line. It should be 2nd November. And I should be immediately before dear. Beta, I would tell you that keep correcting your mistakes. Come to the next one. Raj Vikram. Surinagar Colony, 2nd November. बहुत बढ़िया, very good. The SHO. Subject, repeated flouting of rules and Tabassum of Satyanagar Colony towards. Excellent. Too good. I did not find any mistake in this. Whose is this? Let me see. Raj Vikram. Very good. Absolutely perfect. Let's see what Nabil has written. 124 Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, November 2. DSHO Police Station, Bhubaneswar, quarantine rules. Excellent, Nabil. No mistakes now. Very good, beta. Anshika Verma now. Satyanagar Colony, Orissa, November 2. The beta, the SHO, एक ही line में होना चाहिए. Okay, you've written the in one line and SHO in the next line. It should be the SHO, same line. Rest everything is perfect, beta. Your date is perfect, your address is perfect. Only SHO should be the SHO in the same line. Good, Anshika. Let's move on to Yash Sharma. Bhubaneswar, Orissa. 2 November, nahi, 2nd November. It should be what? Yash Sharma, it should be 2nd November. The SHO XYZ police station, subject is flouting of quarantine rules. I want to draw your attention. Very good. Rest everything is correct. Only the date in this, it should be 2nd November. I hope Yash next time you'll write it correctly. Let's move on to what Hiten has written. Satyanagar Colony, 2nd November, the SHO, ABC Police Station, Bhubaneswar, dear sir. Subject, quarantine rules being flouted. I want to draw the attention. Very good. Perfectly fine now. No problem in this. What he has written, Hiten, absolutely correct. Tushar. Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Beta, Tushar, if you're writing the pin code, do not put it in brackets. Put a dash, hyphen, dash, and then write the pin code. Pin code is not to be written in the brackets. 2nd November 2020, the SHO. Nahi beta. The SHO, then the next line it should be Satyanagar Colony Police Station. We cannot write it in the same line. It should be the SHO, the नीचे वाला line में Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Again the same thing. Pin code is not to be written in brackets. Dear sir, subject,